Since January 2020, the world has been grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic in waves of varying severity. It has created mass disruptions in our lives. We are well known of the fact that medical oxygen is the sole therapy for COVID-19. NF was established in August 2012 in South Korea. It is specialized in oxygen supplies in oxygen supply systems with Mother Nature's clean oxygen. Medical oxygen shortages have persisted throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Medical oxygen still remains to be a critical essential medicine. When India became the victim of COVID-19, masks were made compulsion, after which devastating wave of coronavirus across India witnessed a rise of medical oxygen to up to 12 times of what was needed during pre-COVID-19 times on daily basis. NF Co Limited launched oxygen supply system in Meghalaya, India in a civil hospital. In the beginning, 2 MOS 450 and 1 MOS 80 was installed as it was economical and low priced. The company came to India not just for the sake of business but also to save lives of people suffering in India. As promised, 10 oxygen supply systems were donated to Meghalaya, India. Especially in hard times like COVID-19, these systems are proving to be very beneficial for the COVID patients. The subsidiary was established in Delhi and it was highly supported by local hospitals because it was compact and lightweight. NF Co Limited CEO Sang Kon Lee says that the company aims at improving the quality of life through its product. Set up in 2002, the company with its unique product has been growing fast overseas. Most of all, MOS has also been welcomed by many countries. The finest feature of MOS medical oxygen generator is that it can generate real-time oxygen based on just electricity, which is a complete replacement for liquid and gaseous oxygen tank. It can reduce the possibility of explosions and can make your hospital more convenient. NF Healthcare has aimed to establish a global international oxygen brand, and they made sure to provide reliable, high-quality products that would benefit India's hospitals. To demonstrate the commitment, NF donated 100 oxygen generators to general public of India.